Friends, if you want to gain thousands of traffic from Quora to your website or to your affiliate program, then you must watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another awesome video. So friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily gain thousands of traffic from Quora directly to your website or to your landing page where you are promoting your affiliate program. Alright, so in order to earn from affiliate marketing, all you need is traffic so that traffic can convert into affiliate sales. Alright, so if you're doing SEO of your website, I know it is the best method, but it will for sure take time. So if you want to gain quick traffic, if you want to gain traffic as soon as possible and that also in thousands of number, so you must watch this video till the end without skipping a single second, as today in this video I am going to reveal one of my best traffic source from where I'm getting thousands of traffic, and for sure it is Quora. Okay, so today in this video I will be showing you how you can easily gain traffic from Quora by following my strategies, my personal strategies. Okay, so this video is going to be very detailed about Quora marketing. Today here I will explain you about each step that you should follow in Quora marketing to gain thousands of traffic. So as you can see over here, I'm on my Quora profile. Okay, so before telling you how to do Quora marketing and gain thousands of traffic, let me show you my traffic proof. As you can see in the your content and stats, as you can see the all-time views are more than 8,000 views. Okay, so as you can see here the traffic is down because for almost around 8 to 10 months I was inactive on Quora, but then also I was receiving good traffic. As you can see 92-96 views per day, so it is good. As you can see the total views is more than 8,200, so it is awesome. And as you can see the last 30 days the views are 1691. As you can see the 17 October the views are 211 views alone on 17 October. Okay, so imagine here I am promoting my website as well as my YouTube channel. Okay, so mainly I am promoting my website over here, and due to this I am getting traffic on my website. Okay, so if you too want to gain this much traffic or more than this, then all you need to do is completely watch this video, as here I am going to reveal my personal strategies to gain this much of traffic. Alright, so as you can see over here, here is a blueprint about Quora marketing strategies. Okay, so if you will follow these strategies, I am sure that you will never ever get banned by Quora. Okay, now this is the big problem that many people say that if they share links on Quora, they got banned. They get banned by Quora. Okay, the reason why they get banned because they share too many links very quickly. Okay, very early, and this is the reason that they get banned. So let me just explain you all these strategies, all these my personal strategies, so that you can gain traffic and not get banned by Quora. So first of all, let me make the first step visible. As you can see, the very first step is create an account, which means that first of all you have to create a free account on Quora, which is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it would not take more than 5 minutes to set up an account, and after verifying email, after verifying the username. Okay, so first of all you have to create an Quora account. So the next step is, let me make it visible. As you can see, the next step is set up a strong profile. Now this is a main step. Alright, because a profile indicates your strength on Quora. Okay, so first of all you need to set up a strong profile. Now how to set up a strong profile, just wait a second, let me show you. As you can see, you have to provide all the credentials and highlights over here. Okay, and as you can see, you have to write a good description over here, and you have to write tagline about your work life. Who are you? A YouTuber, a blogger, an affiliate marketer, or a solopreneur? who are you? Okay, you have to write this over here, and then as you can see here, you have to write a description about your work, about what content you're sharing on Quora, or what content you're sharing on your website. Alright, so this you have to describe in this description box, and the main part is your DP. First of all, you need to add your profile photo so that it looks good and it looks genuine. Okay, so as you can see over here on the Quora, till now I have answered more than 300 answer. As you can see, 380 answered I have answered, and because of this I have gained this much heavy traffic. As you can see, more than 8,000 views. Okay, and this traffic must have gone to my website or to my YouTube channel where for which I am promoting this. Okay, so as you can see over here, first of all you need to set up a strong profile because it indicates your strength, and due to your profile people will follow you. Okay, so first of all you need to set up a strong profile. All right, and then you have to come to the third step, which is, let me make it visible. As you can see, answer questions with no link for around 15 days. Now what people do is they simply create an account on Quora, set up their profile, and then they start answering the questions with their links or with their affiliate links. Okay, so first of all, let me make it clear to you that you shouldn't ever, okay, you should not ever share your affiliate links directly on your Quora account. Okay, if you will do this, you will definitely get banned by Quora. All you need to do is, first of all, you have to make a landing page or you have to make a website, and then you have to promote that landing page link or that website link in the answers of Quora. But wait, my dear friends, if your Quora account is new, you shouldn't share links. Okay, as you can see, answer questions with no links for around 15 days. What does it mean? Because if you will share answer without links for around 15 to 20 days, Quora will think that it is a genuine person, because he is just sharing content without links, which means that he is providing value on this Quora platform, and this is the reason that Quora will not ban your account. Okay, so first of all, you have to share your answers with no links. So you have to search your niche, that you have to search the questions which are relevant to your niche, and then you have to just answer those questions without your website link or without your affiliate links. Okay, and you have to do this work for around 15 to 20 days. Okay, and then after doing this work, you have to come to the next fourth step, which is, let me make it visible to you. As you can see, add one link in each answer for about 15 days. Now what does it mean? It means that after answering with no links for around 15 to 20 days, you have to answer question with one link in each answer, or you can skip that also. Okay, and you have to do this work for around 15 to 20 days. Okay, so what you can do is just simply for an example, if you have chosen an answer, okay, and if you want to answer this question, then what you will do is, first of all, you will provide value. Okay, you have to provide value over here, and then you have to add images also. Make sure that you add images also in this answer, because images attracts the people's mind. Okay, so you have to do this, and then if you want to paste your website link or your landing page link, you can even do this, but you have to just paste at least, maximum one link if your account is new. After 15 days of answering with no links, you have to add only one link in your answer, and you have to do this work for around 15 to 20 days. Okay, because this is the real strategy of Quora, which I am sharing to you, which I have experienced in the last 1 year on Quora. Okay, so you have to answer such type of questions so that you can gain traffic to your website. And if your account is new, you have to paste maximum one link on your answer in your answers. Okay, now the question is, how do I use affiliate networks? So basically there are multiple affiliates programs which are listed on the multiple affiliate networks. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to answer this question and you have to paste your website link. if you have written an article over here. Okay, if you don't have written, you have to write article, because you can gain traffic from Quora also if you write content regarding the questions on Quora, because this is one of the best method to gain free and targeted traffic to your website. All right. So as you can see over here I have written an answer to this question. As you can see, how do I use affiliate networks? All right. So currently I don't have such content on my website. Okay, so here I am not pasting any links. Okay, I'm just answering it. Now as you can see, this image is definitely looking good. So all you need to do is, first of all, you have to add an image before your answer, and then you have to answer the questions in a proper way, which means that you have to provide value, and behind a suitable text you need to paste your website link. And then after doing this much, you have to simply click on the post button. And as you can see over here, this answer has been submitted in this page, which is SK Affiliate Marketing. Okay, now if you want, you can submit your answers in the space also, or you can just simply answer questions alone. Okay, because these all strategies are very good. If you will answer in a space that has high amount of followers, you can gain a lot of traffic, believe me my dear friends. Okay, so first of all, you need to do this, which is add one link in each answer for about 15 or 20 days. Okay, so the next step is just wait a second, let me make it visible. As you can see, answer questions with a maximum of 4 to 5 links, which means that once you have just simply done all these 3 or 4 steps, you have to answer multiple questions with maximum 4 or 5 links. Okay, now in a day you can just answer 10-15 questions. That is sufficient. Okay, so if you will answer 10 to 15 questions a day, so all you can do is just simply paste your website link or your landing page link, not your affiliate links, only your website or landing page link. Now just don't paste one link multiple times. Okay, don't do this, it is spamming. You can paste your multiple blog post link. Okay, and all these links should not be more than 4 to 5 links. Okay, just make sure, because I don't think so if you will provide more than 4 to 5 links, it looks very spamming. Okay, so you have to just be unique and be genuine, because your Quora account is new. Okay, you have to understand this, that your Quora account is new, hence you need to be very unique and very genuine. Okay, once you have just once your Quora account has become old, you can share multiple links. I mean, you can share more than 4 to 5 links, because there are some profile on Quora who are sharing more than 10 to 15 links in each answer, because their Quora profile has become strong and Quora has trust on them, and this is the reason that Quora is not banning their account. Okay, so first of all, you need to focus on your profile. You have to make your profile stronger and stronger, and this is a strategy that will help you to stay on Quora even if you share multiple links in your answer. Okay, and following all these strategies, you can also gain this much traffic each month or each day. Okay, as here you can see the traffic, which is more than 8,000 views, and this traffic must have gone to my website or to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this way you can just simply promote your website or your landing page or your YouTube videos on Quora, and believe me, it is one of the biggest source to gain traffic. As you can see the monthly traffic, which I have showed you multiple times in my videos, as you can see, more than 540 million visits are over here, and it is a gold mine. But don't just take this platform only to mine gold. Okay, you have to provide value to the user, and in this way you can stay long on Quora. Okay, and can gain thousands of traffic from Quora directly to your content. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thank you.